Hello guys, in this video I will explain you what is text widget in Flutter, which is most commonly used widget in any type of applications. There are a lot of properties in this text widget. So let me start with using a text widget, and inside this let me type something like hello everyone, welcome to expert coder channel. So I have provided some text in this text widget. So you can also customize this text like changing its color or adding background, changing its font style and font size. There are a lot of properties in this text widget. So if you hit on control space in this text widget, you can see many properties that you can use in this text widget. You can also add image, like you can also add borders. There are a lot of properties. Do experiment on all these properties. So now let me explain some of the properties and the most frequently used properties in this text widget. So let me start with style parameter. So inside this I am going to use text style widget again. So inside this let me use font size parameter. So you can also try all these parameters, adding background color or colors, font family. Okay, so let me start with the font size and I'm going to give 40. So you need to pass double value here. Let me save and run this. So now in the screen you can see the text have displaying with a font size of 40. So add a comma and let me show you another property called font style. So hit on control space, you can see many properties inside this again. So let me start with the font style dot italic. Okay, now we can see the style of this font, which is in italic. Okay, and add a comma here and let me add some color to this text. So use color parameter and colors dot, let me use pink. Save this. Now color have added to the text. So you can customize with many parameters. So add a comma here and let me show you another parameter called font weight. Okay, so font weight dot bold, it will just make your text to bold. So let me use just bold here and save and run this. So you can see the text have bolded, and which is used to make the text bolder. So if you use for W700, it will be heavy bold. See, and the next parameter I am going to show you is background color. Background and colors dot, let me add blue color. So 7 on this. Sorry, you need to pass parameter background color. Okay, then colors dot blue. So you can see the text with a blue background color, and let me change this blue color to black so that you can see the text very clearly. So background color is added. So if you want to add the space between these letters, you can use the parameter called letter spacing. Let me pass a double value, which is 20. So let's see the space have added between these letters. So similarly we can also have another property called word spacing. Let me comment this using control and forward slash. So I'm going to use word spacing, and you need to pass a double value, so which is 30. See, the space have added between each word. And similarly, let me add line to this text. So we need to add decoration parameter, text decoration dot underline. So there are different attributes that you can use. So for now I'm going to use underline. Sorry, make sure that it is not decoration color, it is just decoration only. Just remove this color. Let me save and run this. Now you can see the underline have added to this text. So to change the color of this underline, we need to add a parameter called decoration color. And colors dot, let me add blue color for the underline. So decoration is a parameter to add underline to the text, and decoration color is a parameter to add color for the underline. Okay, let me add blue color for this. So you can see the blue color line have added to the text. So you can also use this overline attribute. So you will just get a gap between the line and the text. See the gap between the underline and the text. So let me use another parameter to add dashed line to the text. So let me comment this, and let me add parameter called decoration style. So here text decoration style dot dashed. Dashed is an attribute to add dashed line to the text. Okay, you can't see any change because you need to uncomment this decoration parameter. So let me change this to underline, and let me uncomment this. So now let me save and run this. Now you can see the dashed line have added to the text. And the next parameter is max lines. Okay, for example, let me give 2. Then it will allow you to add only 2 lines here. So let me change this to 10 and save and run this. So it will allow you to add 10 lines here. The next parameter is text align. So in the name itself, it is used to position your text top or bottom, left or right. So you can use any of these. So you can use text vertical dot center. So let me use text should be at left. Okay, so let me save and run this. So the text is already at the left side, so you can't see any change here. So let me change this to right, then you can see the change. Let me change to right and let me save and run this. See, the text have aligned to the right. So similarly you can use another attribute called center or start, end, left, right. So there are many attributes. Let me use center. So the text is aligned at center. And next I'm going to show you a property called text scale factor, which is the number of font pixels in each logical pixel. So for example, the text scale factor is 1 by defaultly, so there is no change. Let me increase it to 1.5. So it will increase its font size to 50% of the font size we have given. So it is increased to 60 because 50% of 40 is 20. And let me change this value to 2. So see what goes on. So it doubles the font size of 40 to 80. So this is a scale factor. Let me change to 1.5, which is a 40%. So sorry, 50% of this 40. It is increased to 50% of this 40. So there are many properties in these text widgets. So do experiment on each and everything. So thanks for watching. Please do subscribe and like to my channel.